guys, this is Kenya. Welcome back to Kenya's Decor Corner. So today I'm so excited because I am going to be showing you guys how I make a blueberry banana pie. Now this came to my idea because I was reading the Good Housekeeping magazine, and here it shows Happy Pie Day, which is PI, so the mathematical symbol. But they were saying let's go, so the article says March celebration, Happy Pie Day. On March 14th, bake a delicious pie, and they have some recipes here. So now it's not PIE pie, it's PI for the mathematical symbol, as you see that here. But we're gonna go ahead and bake a pie just because it's Pie Day. So there is a National Pie Day, which is PIE. That day was in January of 2019. So anyway, because we missed that one, I thought, you know, it's springtime, let's go ahead and make a pie. And I'm making my husband's favorite. This is one of his favorite pies that he grew up eating. So we're gonna make blueberry banana pie. So for this recipe, we're gonna use some bananas that are very bright, not overripe, just bright yellow, beautiful bananas. We have 4 bananas. We have 1 can of blueberry pie filling. Pick that up at Kroger's. Shout out to Kroger's. They always come through. And then I have a pie crust that we have here. I picked up the one that shows for like a cheesecake, but I mean it's a graham cracker crust, so that's what we want. Graham cracker pie crust. Then I have let's see, how many ounces is this? This is a 8-ounce container of Cool Whip. And we have some fresh blueberries. I would have taken a smaller container if they had it, but they only had this size and an even larger size. So I took the smallest one. We'll just add this to our yogurt or you know, cereal or something to eat these all up, because this is going to be way more than what we need. And then also we have Philadelphia cream cheese. So those are all of the ingredients that we need for this pie. So let's get baking. Actually, this is a no-bake recipe, so you don't have to bake. What we're going to do is blend everything together and then let it set in the refrigerator for a couple of hours. So let's get going. side, and as you can see, I've already cut a slice out, and I've added a dollop of whipped cream right on top. And so this is so yummy and so delicious. Okay, so let's give this a taste. As I mentioned, this is my husband's, one of his favorite pies, and so I'm gonna give it a try also. Delicious. That's really yummy, guys. Really yummy. Easy dessert to make, and your friends and family will think that you spent hours in the kitchen making it, and it really only took you 10 minutes to prep it, and then at least 30 minutes to let it set. It's best if you let it sit for at least 2 hours in the refrigerator to really firmly set. But this has been in my refrigerator for about 45 minutes, and it's perfect. Delicious. Okay guys, so I hope that you've enjoyed this video. If so, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And also, if you're new here, click the subscribe button, and also hit the notification bell to receive alerts as to when I upload new videos. And for my faithful family members, you guys know the deal. I love you, love you, love you so, so much. And I look forward to seeing all of you on the next video. Much love and many blessings. Bye-bye.